Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on how to achieve this look, how to apply lip liner and lipstick um, for beginners. This is just a very basic tips that I use in my everyday routine. I hope you guys like this and I hope you guys find this helpful. So yeah, enjoy. So let's get started with the lips. So I already applied my eyelashes. They are my favorite. It's in the, I honestly don't know what brand this is. I got it from Alibaba. And I got like hundreds of them and it's very affordable. I think I got 5 pairs for like $2. I don't know. But it's in the style G808. And let's see. I'll be showing you guys how to apply red lipstick. So first, I already moisturize my lip with Carmex. I also scrub if needed. I'm just using a napkin. It's kind of wet. I also like to apply a little bit of highlighter on top of my Cupid's bow. I think that looks very cute and shiny. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but it's just letting people know that I have a Cupid's bow. Okay. I'm going to use a red lip liner. This is Hot Red 817 Hot Red from NYX. Okay. So if you guys have really thin lips or really full lips, I think my lips are, I don't know, they're not thin and they're not full. They're like medium. I have medium lips. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and line them just where my natural line is. Don't overline if you're new to this, because it looks not natural. And I just kind of redefine my Cupid's bow. Start from there. As you can tell, like, it's not always going to be like a perfect smooth line. There's going to be crooked and it's going to be like zigzag or whatever, but you just do like small stroke and then you fix it and you work with what you have. So my lips are not even. Sorry, my this was covering. So my lips are not even and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it anyways, and then later on I'll see where I need a little bit extra help. This is going to help me. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom lips. I always start in the middle. I just feel like that helps. And then I'm going to go ahead and start from the corner and pull down. Do the same to the other side. Okay, now that I have the bottom part, I'm going to go, I feel like this side is thinner than the right side, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in a little bit over the line. Slowly. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and color in this side. And I feel like this is higher than this, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up a little bit. And then sometimes there's like excess from your lip liner, like this. You kind of just like clean it off with a Q-tip. But I don't have one right now, so. Whatever your lip shape might be, like even if you don't have a Cupid's bow, I think it's so cute when it's like just like straight. Then it gives your lip that like fuller look. Kind of how like Angelina Jolie has it, you know? But just kind of enhance what you have, and that's that's when you're like the most beautiful. So then after I line my lips, sometimes I just fill all the way in. That I find that my lipstick lasts longer. Ooh, my teeth look so white. I like this shade. Okay. So, this lip kit I got from MAC. I think it's for the holidays and it might be limited edition. But I really like it, and I'm just gonna play around with all the red shades. Ooh, Ruby Woo. I've never tried this shade. Ugh. I think it's matte, so it's like yeah, it's super matte and super drying. I mean, it's so pretty. But I feel like after like an hour or so, my lips would start peeling because it's so dry. So I kind of just start from one side and go all the way to the other end. And then on the top, I start in the middle and fill in my lips, just coloring in the lines. Okay. Am I going to leave it like this? Probably not. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to apply a lip gloss on top. So basically, at this point, if you would like it to be more sharp, you would go in with a kind of like an angle brush or like a flat brush like this, like a concealer flat brush, and then put your concealer and then clean up the sides if you have anything that looks like it's smearing. But I don't like that harsh look unless I have any smears, then I would clean it up. But I mean, in this case, I feel like I'm okay. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a gloss on top because I feel like it's very drying. I don't like this formula. I love the color. So here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys found this helpful. And you can actually you can do this with any color, even if you don't have a lip liner that matches the lip color. I feel like you can almost get away with, like, I would use this one. It's from Wet n Wild gel lip liner. It's like a purple one, so I would use this for any shade that's like here. And then red, I would use one like common red color and then apply any like dark red, bright red, violet, red, you know. So kind of play around. The possibilities are endless. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.